Hello, hello! Today we are going to make hands. Well, yes, this is a part of our memory drawing and hence we will start by making these sketches and then color it in a similar way. At first, let's make the wrist nicely and then the 5 fingers. If you notice, all our 5 fingers are almost of a different size. The thumb is very small, the index finger is big, the center finger is the biggest of them all usually, and then the pinky finger is a little smaller. Just because the hand is facing towards us and we see the palm, let's make these creases right here. The next thing we do is make another hand which is holding a pencil. Notice how you hold a pencil with the first 2 fingers and a thumb of yours and then start drawing this. Remember, when you're holding a pencil, usually in this angle, the thumb's nail is going to be seen as well. So let's make that. And let's make the nail of the other fingers as well. This looks interesting. Make all the curves of your fingers properly. The next thing we do is make a fist wherein we are holding a pen. To make a fist, we will have to start by making these fingers overlapped one on top of another. Also, when we make a fist, we see a lot of wrinkles on our hand. So let's make that as well. Let's make this slowly and nicely. Let's make the palm and then the thumb part. Yes, just like this. Let's make the knuckles properly. And then these wrinkles right here. After that, we will make an OK sign. Well, for the OK sign, we will touch the index finger to our thumb and have the other 3 fingers in the air. So let's make this. Even here, we will be seeing our thumb's nail and the other 3 fingers' nails as well. So let's make them together. Let the center finger have the nail as well. And finally, the pinky finger looks the smallest right here. Yes, as we are seeing this OK sign in a perspective. This looks interesting. Once we are done with this, let's start sketching it. Yes, we will sketch it with our sketch pen and make sure that we use the tip of our sketch pen to sketch the entire thing. Go slow while sketching it and sketch all the intricate details nicely. Make these parts slowly and carefully. And then sketch the entire thing in a similar way. Let's start by coloring this part. Well, when we see a shadow falling, that space is a little darker, for which we will be using ochre color. And well, when we blend it well, and yes, when we blend it well with our skin color or peach color, it looks exactly like the shadow. So, let's start doing this. We will finish all of these parts with ochre color at first and then start doing skin color on top of it. Can we see how? Yes, let's do this together. Press the color well and color this nicely. Do all the parts in a similar way now. The first hand is done where we see the palm. The second thing we do is color this part. Make sure you do not color on top of the nails. Color all these parts with skin color or peach color. Let's use a little bit of grey and black here for the pen. This looks interesting. And now let's blend this ochre color right here. Let's use the back side of this crayon as we are going to color in very thin spaces. And we need a sharp color for the same. This looks amazing. Finally, let's take red color and fill in color here. Yes, for our pencil. We can color this with our sketch pen itself. And look at that, our hands are ready.